Welcome to the Art of Resume. I will be showing you how to start your template. Now it's pretty simple. All you'll need to do is highlight and start typing. This will keep the same font format. Make sure to work in small pieces, and watch for capitalized wording. You'll have to keep your cap locks on. Now we are going to go over how to copy your old resume to your new template. The first thing we're going to do is copy from your old resume. So go to a small section and highlight the text. Next, go to the top menu under Edit and select Copy. Now we'll go to our new template and we'll highlight the area and go back up to Edit, and then we'll go to Paste and Match Formatting. Now you'll notice here that there's too much text. It's going outside of the text box. So what we'll need to do is remove the extra text, and we can do this by going to the bottom of the text box and pulling down the box, and then simply highlighting and deleting the extra text. Now we can bring the box back up to the regular size. This will keep everything neat and organized. Again, you don't want any text going outside of the text box. Now we'll go back to our old resume and we'll copy over a bullet point section by simply highlighting the full area, going back up to Edit, Copy, then going to our new resume template and highlighting the area, and again going to Edit and then Paste and Match Formatting. And this is how you copy your old resume to your new template.